You know, people, they're funny creatures. They talk about control, about plans, like they're in charge of this big bad world. But the truth, oh, the truth is so much simpler. It's all chaos, and chaos, well, chaos is fair. You see, I've stopped fighting chaos, stopped pretending that the rules mattered, and the moment I let go, I became unstoppable. Want to know how? Ha! Stick around. Take a look around. Every building, every law, every little smile they force onto their faces. It's all built on one thing, the illusion of control. They think they've got it all figured out. But one bad day, one push, and their whole world falls apart. That's where I come in. I don't just play the game. Oh no, I flip the board because control it's a cage. And when you break free of that cage, oh, the things you can do. They fear chaos because they can't control it. And what people fear, well, that's where the real power lies. You see, when I walk into a room, I don't need to say a word. I don't need weapons or armies. All I need is the idea that I might do something. That uncertainty, that's chaos. And chaos wins every time. But it's not just about the chaos out there. Oh, no, no, no. There's chaos inside you too. You feel it, don't you? That little voice telling you to step out of line, to take a risk, to do the unthinkable, and yet you keep shutting it out, pretending it's not there. Why? Because you're afraid. Afraid of what might happen if you let go. Afraid of who you might become. But here's the truth, my friend. The only way to be free is to stop fighting the chaos. Accept it, harness it, let it transform you. The moment you embrace your chaos is the moment you've become unstoppable. No one can control you. No one can predict you. You don't just survive. You dominate, my friend. The world doesn't need another puppet dancing on strings. It needs someone who can break the rules, tear down the walls, and rebuild something stronger, something real. That someone could be you. So what are you waiting for? Let go of the chains. Embrace the chaos. Become the strong. If you've got the guts, stick around. Like, subscribe, share. But only if you're ready to stop following and start leading.